Really? All right, I'm going to show you how wget works. Now, up in the software needed folder, you see wget.zip. If you were to open it up, you'll see it's got a few files in it. And you're going to run it from the bin folder. Okay? Actually, but go. I think I extracted it already here. But if you do that, that's what you get.
Awesome.
Just like Foremost, and then you don't run it from here. Okay?
That's what was a DLL file. That's what I loaded whenever I did that.
Okay, so I'm going to go to wget. I'm going to go to my bin directory. And there's our files. Okay? I copied it there already. Now, if I type wget in here, it tells me, hey, you need help? Type help. So I can type help. There you go. Doesn't matter, right? Okay. I'm going to go to a website. I'm going to do wget http Okay, I'm getting row state real quick. Now I'm going to cruise over here to my wget folder, to my bin folder, and unable to resolve. Did I spell it wrong? Okay, maybe I can't put the HTTP. There you go. Okay. I just downloaded row state. And if you look at it, that's the row state website.
Oh.
You like it?
That's like the.
Why is it coming up like that now? It didn't
It's
used
coming up like that because I only got the index file.
No, I mean even here when I'm at work it comes up like that sometimes.
Because they got the CSS screwed up. They're probably editing it. Okay. Now, what I did was I typed the command wget www.rosa.edu. You can do that for whatever. Let's go to what's another website? Let's go. Let's do Netflix. There you go. I just got Netflix. Okay. Now, do you think I actually got Netflix that quickly?
I don't think you got
It
it.
says unable to.
Unable to connect.
Oh, it needs SSL. Okay, let's go to MSN then. There you go. I got MSN. So it should be right here, and it's called index.html1 because I already had a file in the directory. But this was MSN. This is the news page.
That's depressing.
So yeah, it's really quick at what it does stuff. But if we go back over here and we hit this magic help menu, there's a lot of commands. Okay. You need some of these because when I ran it, remember I got the row state website. Did it really get the row state website? Just got the index page. So if I ran it for the assignment, you just get the index page. You want more than that. So there's a lot of commands you can use, and let me find it here. I don't know which command would possibly help you at all, but there's some of them on here that might come in handy. Okay, at one point or another. So I'm just guessing, you know. So if I did some command, I don't know, I'm just going to pick a random letter. Whoa, now we're doing something else. Now I'm going to hit stop because it will literally go and get the entire website. Now if I go here, now you'll see I'm actually starting, well, some of these links will not work. Because you'll see I actually have some of the style elements and some of the other content. Okay? And it will literally download, and you can tell it how many levels deep, in other words, how many levels to follow the links. So, I mean, you can even tell it to download YouTube videos. It's really a cool tool. So, I recommend playing with it, and there's really that one command is all you really need to run that, and it's going to download that entire website y'all need, and which, I don't know, did anyone write down the number of it?
What was it? Animal Planet?
Yeah, it was 164.58. Dot something?
Star.
No, yeah, no. Where's my desktop link? Let's find it. Let's find it. Come on. Where are you? There we are. It's. There we go. Okay. 104.221. Okay, there we go. So you do that at home. You wait a little while. And what you'll end up with is you'll end up with the website with the pictures. Pretty simple to do. Now, when running steganography tools, the easiest way is to have the tools in the same directory as the images. If not, I mean, you can copy the tools into each directory, you put all the galleries into one directory. I don't care how you do it. But there's 5 galleries, and see, it's not even done with gallery 1 yet. So there's thousands of files.
What are you saying? Copy the tool into the gallery?
Right. That's probably the easiest way to do it. But I'm going to show you. We haven't got to the tools yet. I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay. So that's the easiest way to do it. But everybody okay on how to get the files?
Oh, this is just retrieving them. Gotcha.
Yeah, we got them. That's all we did.
So we have data right now, we just don't know
Right.
what that means.
We just used the tool to get it. Okay. Now I'm going to go in here. And I'm going to
Not even if we found the finish line. I don't think
extract
that
to
helps.
here. I'm going to go here. Okay, copy this one. Now these are the exact tools that's on the website. Paste. Where'd my damn paste button go? There it goes. Alright. Alright. So I'm in this directory, Stego Tools directory. Now inside here you'll see Steg Detect. I even give you the exact commands you need to run it. Okay, I mean I give you the exact, I give the instruction files, but there's the exact commands. It's in there. It's in, if you unzip it, it's in there. So this is the exact files you're going to download right here. Okay, but here is a picture. This is a church with Mindy in it. Okay, does anyone see Mindy?
What is a Mindy?
Mindy is a person.
I don't see her.
Anyone see Mindy? She's not up in the tree. Maybe she's in the door. No, she's not there. Maybe she's over here. I don't see her. Does anyone see Mindy? Mindy, she's not on the roof. Y'all agree Mindy is not here?
Don't see her.
Okay, you don't agree? Okay, I'm going to use a tool called Steg Detect. Okay, so I'm going to go Steg -T JPOI -S5. That's the sensitivity. Let's see what else is in this directory. Hold on.
In the Stego Tools directory. Okay.
Aha! It says Church with Mindy might have something in it. It might have something that was hidden with JP Hyde, and the asterisk is kind of like the probability. No asterisk means there's nothing in it. 5 asterisks means, wow, there's really something in it. Well, there just happens to be something in this one. So it's the only one in the directory. So, aha, there might be something in it. Now, I give you the commands for Steg Detect and Steg Break. You don't need them both. You could literally run Steg Break on all of them. But problem is, Steg Break runs against a dictionary of a few thousand words. And if you're going to try to break the password on 4,000 files that most of them don't have anything in them, you might be wasting your time. Whereas Steg Detect will help you find the ones that are probable, then you can run Steg Break against those. It's up to you, whatever way you do it. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here and run Steg Break.
Oh, it does a dictionary attack?
And it uses words. Words is in the file.
Using the F.
Hyphen F.
Okay, I'll fix it. I'll fix it in a minute. Okay, and there.
Well, unintentionally, I guess. Steg Break.
Dun, 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 dun. There's the dictionary. See, there's a few words in here. Okay.
The version of few is very weird.
Here's only a few. For a computer. Now, what am I missing?
The hyphen F.
Fine. Be picky like that.
We're looking for F words. Yay.
All right, so it's loading a file, and wow, it found. It says Church with Mindy has something hidden with JP Hyde version 5, and the password is church. Wow, even gave me the password. The password you need will hopefully be in that file. If it's not, sorry. It should be, though. Okay, now, I will tell you when this is running against multiple files, if you hit Control-C, it'll show you its progress. Hit Control-C one time, it shows you its progress. Control-C twice, guess what happens? It stops. If you do Control C, wait a few more minutes, and Control C again, you're fine. But if you do Control C twice, it stops. Then you're like, crap, I got to start all over again.
You can process more than one picture at a time. And
It'll just go through the whole list. See, that's what the asterisk.jpg is. This says go through every JPG.
okay.
So now we know there's something inside of that file. Amazing that, huh? So I'm going to use this JPSHWin. This is a tool that crashes all the time. I'm going to open up a JPEG. I'm going to open up this Church with Mindy. And I'm going to seek. I'm going to seek, and I think the password most likely is church. Okay, and I'm going to save it. We're going to call it Mindy. Well, we're going to call it Mindy.txt. Alright. Now let's go into that directory. And I just saved Mindy.txt. And that's what I got.
Yo, yeah.
That's definitely
So what type of file is it?
Text file.
JPEG.
It's a JPEG. We know that by the file signature. You can see that.
AIFF.
So the whole point is that you might need to know the hex editor because the file embedded might be something different. So now, whoops, we saved it as the wrong file type. It's really a JPEG. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to change this to JPEG since we used our hex editor to figure out what that was. There's Mindy.
Nah.
Mindy and her dad.
Oh.
That is what was embedded inside the picture of the church. Okay?
Wow.
Very cool. You didn't see it. I mean, that large. You can embed zip files. You can embed. I mean, imagine this. You could take your financial records, embed them in a picture, and host them up on a website somewhere.
Can you embed something in the embed picture?
Yes, you can. I did a kind of a. It was a competition a few years back where I had something embedded in a picture, and everybody found it. One person realized, what if I run it again? And there was something embedded in that picture, and that was the real ending. So I might do something like that to you guys at one point. So, all right. So everybody see how I got Mindy out of there? Now I'm going to show you how to make another one. Now we're going to go on this. This is a cool website. You might want to write this one down. It's pretty handy. It's called Google.
Should have been Mindy from work.
What?
Should have been Mindy from work and Mindy.
Oh yeah, well, I should do that. Okay, I'm going to find the sun. In theory, this is going to work.
Green.
Now I want to go. Where's this advanced search thingy hoozy?
More.
More, no. Where's the size? I want
All the way.
size. There it is. Size. I want very large ones. I want big suns. Okay. Okay, I'm downloading this picture off the internet, maybe.
Can you download viruses this way?
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Those be careful doing this.
You could. Okay, so I'm downloading this picture, and this can be called sun.
For schoolwork now.
Okay, everybody see I just downloaded the picture off the internet.
I'm not using this on my home network anymore.
Nah, you'll be fine. Okay, so there's our sun. Now I'm going to take that sun. I'm going to open it up with this JPHS win
That's a
file.
very large file.
It wasn't very large, was it?
No, it's 3,000.
Oh, okay. So I opened up the sun. Okay, everybody see I opened up the. Now I'm going to hide something in it. I'm going to use the password church. And what do I want to hide in there? I'm going to hide. Let's hide the usage file in it. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to save it as. It didn't crash yet. That's like an amazing feat. All right. So there's sun. Now here's sun with usage. There's sun. There's regular sun. There's sun with the text file in it. Anybody see any difference?
Totally.
No difference.
No difference.
So if I go back here now, watch this not work. I'm going to use tag detect again. So it says sun might have something in it. Sun with image might as well with 2 asterisks. So there's, if I was going to compare sun and sun with usage, you'll see sun with usage has more asterisks.
It's not like the scale,
It'll-
like the asterisk thing. It's not like on a scale of 1 to 5.
I think it's 1 to 5. I think. Now, a lot of times you get corrupt image. What that means is it's not in the format it's looking for. So it opened up a file and it wasn't, because it's looking for a specific signature of JPSHWin. Okay? So now I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to run stake break. And it's running. It's got 4 files this time. So if I do Control C, it tells me I was at 0.982%. Okay, so it's still going. Now I'm at 4%. So it's going to try every file. So now if I hit it twice, it will stop. Okay. Now you notice Sun with usage has something in it with church. So does Mindy with church. Okay. So now I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to open up a JPEG. Sun with usage. We're going to seek. We're going to call it as usage2.txt. Can't believe it's not crashing today. Saving it for you guys.
Your son wasn't there.
There you go. And I extracted usage2.txt. So you saw how to put something in a picture, how to get something out of a picture, how to detect the picture. You only have to do it 4,000 times.
What happens if you had Sun with usage and you decided to hide something in Sun with usage?
It would have made it so you could not get out the usage file because we modified it. Now I could have embedded, I could put usage inside of Sun, then I could take that whole entire thing and embed that in something else. But it needs to be a bigger picture. You know what I mean? You can
only embed one file at a time?
you can zip them up.
Yeah.
You can zip files together, embed a zip file. I've done that before.
Yeah.
So technically, you can embed all kinds of stuff. So everybody okay on the steganography tools?
Crazy. Like,
I will be out.
What's our assignment?
What? This is Lab 4, steganography.
What's the assignment though? I forget what we're doing.
The assignment is download Animal Planet,
Yeah.
search 4,000 pictures,
Yeah, that's right.
find
How
the
do you
one.
do multiple pictures at a time? You have that
Just do the asterisk.jpg.
It searches all of them.
and it'll search all the pictures in the file,
In the directory.
in the directory. Okay.
Watch, when I ran this, you'll see it's checking the first one up, then check the second one, then it finished. There's only a couple in there. Now, oh, this is really a good point. You could do this. Because, if you have 4,000 pictures, that's going to scroll off the screen and you're not going to see it.
Yeah.
You can actually do that with this command. That's the pipe. I'm going to pipe it to a file.
That'd be extremely handy.
Now, you didn't see the results. But if I go over here to,
With them.
what was it called? Output.txt. There they are.
Nice.
Oh,
So you can download this tool, get it started, pipe it to a file, let it run all night long, check it in the morning, you're good to go. And if you open this file with TextPad, you can actually view it while it's being created.
Nice.
And it'll tell you, the file has changed, would you like to reload it? And you can say yes or no, and then that way you can actually view it while
So
it's
piping
scrolling.
it to TextPad, or open it with TextPad.
Right, you would open it with TextPad. See,
Okay.
like this, I created this,
So
I
then-
basically said take my results and send it to output.txt.
Right.
Then I would go over here and I would go to my folder. I would open this up with TextPad.
Okay.
Now watch. Let me run that command again. See, this file has changed. Would you like to reload it? Yes.
It's gonna be asking
What?
to reload.
It asked me
If you
because I ran it again.
Ran it again.
Okay.
And you can run it, I think, with. I don't know. You don't need to know all this, but I'm pretty sure you could run it with 2 of them. And it'll append to it. So 2 greater than signs appends to a file. 1 greater than sign overwrites the file. I don't think I put that on last year's recording.
Well, I'm
Bonus.
not complaining.
I mean, it's nothing new. It's just pretty handy on how to do it.
What
So
happens if we output to not a text file?
output to whatever you feel like. I don't care. You can output to a CSV file and open up with Excel.
Okay, I mean, I'm just wondering, like, would that, if I just put output instead of output.txt, what's that going to do?
Okay, there we go. We're outputting into output. Now we have a new file here called output. If I try to open it, it's going to be like, huh? Open up a text pad, and there it is. So it's not. All the file extension does is tell Windows which program to use. That's all it says. Remember, I tried to open up Mindy with when it was the .text. It opened up a Notepad. Then we said, oh, that's not a text file, so we just had to change it. So all the extension does is tell Windows, hey, open it up with Notepad or whatever the hell. All right. Everybody understand? Now, I will tell you there is a secret to this project.
A,
Just one.
if you can find the right file right away, you can be done in 5 minutes. Somebody
right
figured it out
file?
last semester. Literally an hour later, all right, I'm done. Damn it, they found the file that quickly. It's there. But it just might take you a few minutes.
You won't be me.
You'll find. I know somebody in this room will find the right file quickly, and they'll be like, "How the hell did I do that?" Like,
And we won't be able to write it down on our command. I don't know what I did.
all right, but if this program crashes, just start it again. It's not a big deal.
You can't repeat what you did.
All right, let me stop that.
I look